Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the information. At a retail store, a salesperson can choose between two salary options. The first option is a monthly salary of $2,800. The second option is a monthly salary of $1,500 and a $12 commission on each dress shirt sold. Which of the following inequalities gives the number of dress shirts X that must be sold in a month for the salary offered by the second option to exceed the one offered by the first? Okay, now let's write the salary option offered by the first option. Let me write the stuff over here. So the question clearly says the salary offered, the monthly salary offered by the first option is $2,800. So let me write the stuff over here. And now let me write the salary offered by the second option. So let me write it. So the salary offered by the second option is the monthly salary of $1,500 and a $12 commission on each dress shirt sold. And first let me write the salary, the fixed salary, that is $1,500 positive, and we have to write the commission. Commission is $12 for one dress shirt sold, and also the question is there are X number of dress shirts sold in a month. So if $12 is a commission for one dress shirt sold, then what is the commission for X number of dress shirts sold? So for that we have to multiply the number of dress shirts sold X and the commission for one dress shirt, that is $12. 12 times X is 12X. Okay, so now 2,800 is the salary given by the first option. 1,500 positive 12X is the salary given by the second option. According to the question, the salary offered by the second option has to exceed the salary offered by the first option. That is, the value 1,500 positive 12X has to be greater than 2,800. So that you have to find the number of dress shirts. So that is, we have to find the value of X. Okay, so now let me write 1,500 positive 12X has to be greater than 2,800. Okay, now we have to solve for X in this inequality because this value must exceed the salary offered by the first option. Okay, now let's solve this one. For that, what I have to do is I have to subtract 1,500 from both sides to isolate X. So this positive 1,500, negative 1,500 will cancel. 12X greater than. So when I subtract 1,500 from 2,800, I am getting 1,300. Okay, now let me divide both sides by 12. When I do so, this 12 will cancel out. X is greater than. When I divide 1,300 by 12, I'm getting 108.33 and it keeps going. 108.33 and it keeps going. Okay, so we got the inequality for the solution of X, that is X is greater than 108.33. And what does X represent? X represents the number of dress shirts. So it can now be a decimal. Always it has to be an integer, that is the number of dress shirts. So, but when I look at this one, in the given answer choices, I don't find this value 108.33 in none of the options. So what I have to do is since X represents an integer, that is the number of dresses always has to be an integer. So what is the first integer which is greater than 108.33? That is 109. 109 is the first integer which is greater than 108.333. So the given inequality can also be written as X greater than or equal to 109 and X takes an integer. So this is the solution we have for X. Okay, we find this inequality X greater than or equal to 109 in option D. The correct answer choice for this question is option D.